The handle ball is a spherical shape with a blind hole in one end and a perpendicular through hole. Revolve is the best way to start this part. Begin a new part using the standard inch template. Start a sketch on the XY plane. Sketch a circle and a vertical line passing through the center. Add the diameter dimension and trim away half the circle. Use a coincident mate to constrain the line to the center point. Revolve the sketch about the vertical axis. I need to add a plane to place the blind hole on. I will use the Parallel and Tangent to Face Make Plane tool. Select the XY plane and select the face of the sphere. Start a new sketch on the new plane and add a point on the center point. Use the Hole tool from the Sketch Placement option. Set the diameter and depth sizes. For the perpendicular through hole, start a new sketch on the XZ plane. Sketch a circle off to the side so that you can see it. Add the diameter dimension and use a coincident constraint to position it on the center. Extrude cut with the All Extents and Symmetry option to finish the part. Use eye properties to assign the material and part description. Save the file, giving a part number as the file name.